Hey everybody, in today's video I will be showing you how to change your Instagram password if you have forgotten your old password. So if you want to make sure that this method works for you too, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow our steps correctly. So yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go to the App Store and download the Instagram application if you haven't already. After doing that, you want to enter the application, and depending if you're already logged into your account or not, the steps will be different. So let's enter the application right now. As you can see here, I want to go on my profile tab by clicking my profile picture in the lower bottom corner. Now here is my profile tab. So obviously the first thing we want to do to show you this tutorial is log out of our account. So we will be doing that by tapping the three lines in the upper right corner and then going into settings. When entering settings, we will just scroll down a bit here and we will see the option to log out of our account. So let's log out of our account. Logging out. Now we have been logged out from our account and we have to switch back to our normal account. So let's go back to add account. As you can see here, if we click log into an existing account, it will just take it back to account. So log into existing account, log in, and let's say we want to switch accounts. So the first thing you want to do is you have to remember your username. So let's say that we have forgot our password. We'll want to click on the button here that says get help logging in. We will want to click on the white button. Clicking this, you will be opted by this page where you will be able to enter your username or your email or your phone number, depending on which one you remember. You have to remember one of the three. After entering that, let's say we want to enter the account that we just logged out of, or entering our email. Do whatever you want. You can type in your email, your phone number, anything you want. You will just click the button next, the blue button next. After clicking the button, you will be sent an email verification to your email that you used to signing up for this Instagram account. You'll have to go back to that email and find the code they sent you. After that, you will be able to enter the code into the Instagram application, and then you will be able to change your password. Yeah, it's all very easy and pretty easy steps. You will figure out what you have to do after this step yourself. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video and bye.